Hello friends, in this video we'll talk about how to choose the right health insurance plan for your family. So in the introduction we'll talk about choosing the right health insurance plan for your family can be a daunting task with so many options available. It's important to consider your family needs and budget. In this video we'll explore some tips for choosing the right health insurance plan for your family. Understanding your family healthcare needs. The first step is choosing the right health insurance plan for your family is to understand your family's healthcare needs. Consider the ages and health condition of each family member, as well as any medication they may be taking. This will help you determine the type of coverage you need. There are several types of health insurance plans, including health maintenance organization (HMO), private provider organization (PPO), points of service (POS), exclusion power organization. Each plan has its own benefits and drawbacks, so it's important to compare plans and determine which one best fits for your family. When choosing a health insurance plan, it's important to consider the cost. This includes the monthly premium, deductible, co-payments, and out-of-pocket expenses. Make sure you understand how much you will be paying for each type of expense and factors it into your budget. Make sure the health insurance plan you choose has a provider network that includes the doctor and hospitals you prefer. This will ensure that you can receive the care you need from the provider you trust. It's important to know the enrollment period for health insurance plan. The open enrollment period for the Affordable Care Act (ACA) is usually from November to December. However, if you experience a life-change events such as getting married, having a baby, or losing your job, you may be able to enroll a health insurance plan outside of the open enrollment period. Working with an insurance professional can help you navigate the complex world of health insurance and find the best plan fits for your family needs. An insurance professional can help you understand your options and recommend plan that provides the appropriate level of coverage. In conclusion, in summary, choosing the right health insurance plan for your family requires careful consideration of your family healthcare needs, cost, provider networks, and enrollment periods. Work with an insurance professional to find the plan that best fits for your family needs. Thanks for watching our video. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and also press the bell icon. Thank you.